Hello everyone, my name is Ajali and I'm always bringing new technologies to you. So today I thought of unboxing an iPhone 13 Pro Max. This phone also accepts eSIM. Now let's open it. What I always liked about the iPhone is that when you first open the box, the thing that you see is the product you bought. So here's the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Its cameras are a bit outside. It's in gold color. Here's the turn off button, the volume up button, the volume down button, and here's the mute button. Okay, don't forget you can either put an eSIM or you can either put an hard SIM. Don't think that there's only an eSIM option. You can put a hard SIM or an eSIM. Here's the screen. Wow, it looks so good. The speaker is a bit up than the iPhone 12. Did this stop giving? Okay, yeah. Here's the pen to open the SIM lock. Stickers and stuff. And here's the cable. The Lightning C cable. Okay, you need to buy an adapter with it, but since I already have an iPhone 12 Pro in which the same adapter is used, I did not buy the adapter. Featuring apple. No, it's a half-eaten apple. Eaten apple. Now let's turn it on. They added a new opening. Okay, so now let's start opening the iPhone. Let's start it. So, okay, let's start. Our language is English. My region is Saudi Arabia, so I'm going to select that. Okay, I'm just going to set up manually. Okay. That's my preferred language, keyboard, and dictation. Okay, let's continue. I hope you're not seeing my Wi-Fi connection name right now. I don't want you to. And I hope you're not even looking at my password. I hope it's pixelated. I need to edit this now. Okay. Now I hope you're not seeing my Wi-Fi too. Instead of my password, you should not even see my Wi-Fi. Now it's activating our iPhone. Let's wait. So here's our iPhone 13 Pro Max that we just unboxed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this unboxing video of iPhone 13 Pro Max. See you later.